I will be unboxing another sunglass with built-in camera. This time it's a 1080p resolution. Please do watch till the end as I unbox, and showing you a tutorial on how to use this device, and a sample video and photos if this has really a 1080p resolution. And most importantly, a test if the battery can last longer. So I purchased this on TEMU. The camera is positioned in the center. As the seller description is, it has 1080p HD resolution, with 90 minutes battery life and can capture 75 degrees wide angle. And I purchased this together with 64 gigabytes of memory card, but you can use maximum of 128 gigabytes of memory card. And this camera can be used as video, photo, and audio recordings. And the good thing is men or women can wear this. So the packaging is just a plain box with printed sticker of the product description, and inside of it is the hard case shell, together with the sunglass and the accessories. Well, this can be attached in bag pack, so might an easy to put back the sunglass into the compartment case. So inside of this compartment case, let's start with this user manual with different language translation. Then this old micro USB charging cable. You may purchase without this SD card, but I choose with memory card instead. Besides, it is just a couple of bucks as additional price. And then the cleaning cloth. Don't just clean the sunglass, might clean as well the camera lens just to avoid a fogging of the video. And the sunglass with built-in camera, coated with shiny black paint, which for me, it is fingerprint magnets. It doesn't look cheap at all. The quality of the device is okay, very light, and it is made of plastic entirely. At first glance, you will not notice that it has built-in camera. There is only one button which located in the arm facing inside. It is really a plain design. The advantages of sunglasses with built-in camera than using a body camera is that any angle you can capture a desired video whenever you move your head, rather than a body camera which focuses on one direction only, unless you move your body in different angles. Just a reminder that this doesn't have Wi-Fi capabilities, nor an application to download. So if you wanted to check the video footage, then transfer the micro SD card to your smartphone or laptop. So there is only one button which serves all the purpose, and located facing inside the arm. Underneath is the charging port. At the same time can be connected to laptop to watch the save video, or to transfer a data. So all the wirings are in one area only, which is in the left side. The micro SD card slot is hidden in this area. Be reminded that this is not waterproof nor splash-proof device, so using this in rainy days is a no-no. So the video format of this device is AVI, with video resolution of 1920 by 1080p, and can capture 30 frames per second, while the photo format is JPG and has 4.3 image ratio. So now it is the time to demonstrate how this device works. Press and hold the power button till the red light is on. At this time, it is standby mode. Be reminded that even if it is in standby mode, and you're not using it, the device will automatically turn off. In taking photo, this is how to do it. In standby state mode, short press the function button to capture photo and the red light flashes once, means it captures already. Then the device will return automatically to standby state mode. To take video, this is how to do it. In standby state mode, long press the function button and the red light flashes 3 times. After that, the video will start recording. And to turn off, short press the function button and the blue light flashes 3 times means it is off. Then the red light is on again, means it is in standby state mode. By the way, removing the SD card is a bit struggle if you have bigger fingers. Better use a pulling accessory so that you can easily pull the SD card. And here's the sample video and photos. Please leave your comments below if this video samples really has 1080p resolution. In my opinion, the lack of camera stabilization ruins the quality of the video. For me, even the camera is not even better, but the stabilization really works well. In that case, I would really appreciate the device better. Well, if we consider about the price, then I may say quality depends upon the price. So I guess I can't complain about that. What we pay is what we get. And here are the sample photos. So how was those sample video and photos? Your comments is highly appreciated. For me, this device is okay, not that is great. But using this as daily live security evidence basis is perfect. Protection of your eyes at the same time as body camera, well, no need to complain or ask more. Now it is time to check if the battery of this device has the capacity as stated in the manual. So when it is charging, the red light is blinking means it is juicing up the device. As the seller description is, this device can be used up to 90 minutes usage, so let's see if this is achievable. This footage was taken while I am riding my e-bike, so expect that if you use this while walking, the video will be more shaky. The video resolution is acceptable, but the lack of stabilization ruins the quality of the footage. And using this as daily security, well, it is okay, but for blogging purposes, better think of it. By the way, in every 3 minutes, the video will automatically save. And in my test, I'm using this starting from my home going to my work, and it takes 10 minutes travel going to my workplace, and then vice versa. All I can say, 90 minutes usage as the seller description is, indeed, it is achievable. So when the battery is full, the blue lights appears. Well, for me, this device is not bad at all. Sometimes the quality of the device vary upon the price. And that's it. If you reach till this video, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please, your comments is highly appreciated. See you in my next video.